If the chat seems a bit weird, it's because Mark's had an incident. No, I'm talking about you. It's because Mark said,
what?
I'm talking about you.
Yeah, what?
It's because you've had an incident that we can't talk about on YouTube.
Alright.
So if the chat seems a bit weird, I thought you were going back that way.
Let's go the straight way.
Yeah, he wants to just go home, go straight to bed now. And forget today ever happened. And it's nothing to do with his bike. He's
Today's just me enough for you. It's actually quite cold when you go in.
It's alright, boy. It's only a bit of cold. What's the temperature? It's not on this bike. Yeah. What's the temperature? Has it gone off?
What?
What's the temperature?
Say that again.
What's the temperature on that bike?
Can't hear a word you're saying, I don't know why.
No way. One sec. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
What's the temperature of that bike? It's not on this one.
17.
Nah.
Freezing.
Cold. It's not that bad. I think I'm going to give Jen's Diner a solid 9 out of 10. Great service, great food, bacon and waffles with syrup, was it? And cinnamon toast, a strawberry milkshake and a coffee.
But it's expensive.
Yeah, it is expensive though. Yeah, so cinnamon toast, waffles and bacon with syrup twice, 2 milkshakes, a tea and a coffee. It's 35 quid.
5 quid?
Yeah, 35 I said. That number plate? That's worth a few quid. Thank you very much.
I'm freezing.
Can't be.
Shivering.
You're shivering
I think
because
I'm getting out.
you just got to go home to bed.
Do you only ride that thing in the rain?
Yeah.
Thought so.
What, because of those turkey twizzlers are on it?
Yeah. Oh, you only go round right hand bend?
It seems that way. And the tyre doesn't lie. This bike in dynamic now will it'll absolutely annihilate that bike.
Do it, bud. Go on then.
What gear are you in? Oh,
Second.
Second gear?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Remember, it's 60 here.
What happened?
It's 60 here.
What?
It's 60 miles an hour here.
I just smoked it and it wheeling.
Did it, heck?
Alright.
We'll see on the footage.
What happened?
It's 60 miles an hour, that's what happened. Don't want people bloody moaning.
It's a good job I got my black visor on looking at that tyre.
You still thinking about it?
Yeah.
It'll be alright. Just pay the man his money and you'll be alright.
This what?
Pay the man the money and you'll be alright.
I'm not asked about the money.
Oh, look at the dog having the time of its life.
What?
The dog having the time of its life with his head out the window.
Oh yeah, but it's bad for them, that.
Is it?
Makes them go deaf. I can't eat.
Yeah, I know you can't.
You're leaving that indicator on.
I was just going to see if it went off itself. That's probably the first time I've seen you not finish a breakfast. Ever. Must be really getting to you. Well, that's it, I think. That's a short video for today. What's final thought going to be, Baz? You've got to say it.
Can't.
You've got to say what not to do.
Final thought is, I should have stayed in bed today.
Yeah.
It'd have been cheaper.
It'd have been a lot cheaper.
Yeah.
And we can't say what it's about yet. It's not to do with a bike, so. But it is vehicle related.
What, they must be in a lorry.
Well, it's left you a bit of room for your bend anyway.
That's it, friend.
Oh, aye. It's like the one I wrote off of my dad's.
So, it's the original one, first one.
Right, anyway.
Should
Bye
we
for
just have
now.
a quick look through St. Ives?
Oh, go on then. Alright, hello again. We're not going yet. We're having a quick look through St. Ives.
Fancy asking for a drag race and getting smoked.
Hey? When did this
Yeah.
happen?
What?
Oh, hang on a minute. I didn't.
You just asked for a side-by-side and said that bike had smoked this bike and I smoked you.
Hey, I didn't.
Alright.
You carried on to stupid speeds. Thank you, ignorant sausage. Oh, it's going to be pretty dead in St. Ives. Well,
Yeah.
I hope. All the holiday makers have gone home. Oh, she wanted me to get some donuts from Morrison's today.
What?
Annie wanted me to get some donuts from Morrison's. But
Phil?
Annie wanted me to get some donuts from Morrison's today.
Alright.
Genuinely, she did.
Have you told you you've had enough of them today?
But I've had enough donuts for one day.
It's what?
I've had enough donuts for one day. There's Nick.
Where?
Nick was just behind us there.
Nicky?
Plumber Nick.
Walking?
Yeah. Hey, he does he works for Ace Cars at night, doesn't he? Or the weekends or whatever. Well, it's a lot easier than
Yeah.
I bloody thought.
LBGGT, I'm proud.
Jesus, H2Os. Didn't think it'd be this busy, I tell you that for free. Do you recognise me?
Cream up it.
Jesus.
He left.
He goes to the gym. Careful. There's the famous sloop. Not very good, to be fair. That sling wasn't doing anything. Oh, that was St. Ives. I don't know what people love about it so much.
Get harder on that bike to go slower.
Yeah. It's just because of the position though.
This guy in the shop here
Yeah.
just got raided for selling shit he shouldn't be to kids.
What, in the shop on the side street there?
The shop up at the side of the cinema.
No way. What like? What was you selling?
Vape pens, knots
Right.
or whatever it is. Is it harder to go slow on that bike really, Jay?
Well, it's not hard, it's just...
Keeping a straight line?
No, going in a straight line's fine. It's just, not as comfortable.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
It reminds me of like a Hornet, that bike.
Yeah, I get that.
You know, a
feel
Honda
it.
Hornet. Like what we learned to ride on.
Yeah. I thought you meant a Hornet like as in a bee.
Nah, I do, I'm only joking.
That's why I said, yeah, the noise of it, the hum of it. Anyway, so it's bye again. Are you saying bye this time, Mark?
Yeah, see you in a bit.
I thought he'd be too upset to say bye, to be honest, but he seems alright now.
See you when I get out of prison.
For the second time. How was that?
What?
You put carpet on it?